Hi, this is Feline from WTI, and if you're looking for moisturizer to keep your body hydrated all day, this NIVEA lotion is perfect for you. So I just want to show you how easy it is to pump the lotion, and it comes out in a white color. And then here I'm just rubbing in the lotion so you can see the consistency is very lightweight, it doesn't feel greasy, and your hands feel super soft. I also love how it doesn't leave a white cast. So this is what the bottle looks like up close. You can see it's a light blue with a dark navy contrast. And I also love that it includes shea butter, which is a nice ingredient to keep your body hydrated and moisturized. And I also love how it comes in 16.9 fluid ounces to be exact. So it's available at a great price. And I also love that the scent is not too overpowering. It's a nice subtle scent, but it's nice enough to keep you smelling fresh all day long. So if you're looking for a lotion to keep you nice and moisturized, I would recommend this one, and that's my point of view.